What is a good husband according to the Bible? 1. Love sacrificially. Ephesians 5:25 sets the gold standard. Husbands, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. A good husband loves his wife selflessly, putting her needs above his own and demonstrating Christ-like love in every aspect of their relationship. 2. Leads with integrity. 1 Corinthians 11:3 says, "The head of every man is Christ, and the head of the woman is man." This isn't about control. It's about leading with integrity, humility, and responsibility. A good husband guides his family with a heart aligned with God's will, providing spiritual leadership and support. 3. Treats with respect. 1 Peter 3:7 advises, "Husbands, in the same way be considerate as you live with your wives, and treat them with respect as the weaker partner and as heirs with you of the gracious gift of life, so that nothing will hinder your prayers." Respecting your wife means honoring her opinions, valuing her contributions, and cherishing her as an equal partner. 4. Remains faithful. Proverbs 5:18-19 celebrates marital faithfulness. "May your fountain be blessed, and may you rejoice in the wife of your youth." A good husband remains faithful, cherishing his wife exclusively and nurturing their bond with unwavering commitment. 5. Supports and encourages. Ecclesiastes 4:9-10 reminds us, "Two are better than one. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up." A good husband supports and encourages his wife, being her biggest cheerleader and a steady source of strength and positivity. Drop an amen if you agree, and pass this on to someone who needs it. God bless.